Is it gonna eat it? Is it gonna eat the puddled curtains? No, it doesn't look like it will. All right. Hello Amazon.com, it's me, Beau. Now, this is my second ZOOZEE I got, mostly because our other vacuum was used so much, I was rather impressed with them, so I'm gonna be honest, I went and got an upgraded version. So it has saved me a lot of time vacuuming, especially in having two little kids. I'm gonna show you really quickly how to get going with setting up. First of all, you're gonna download the ZOOZEE app. Do not use any of the conventional apps like the Smart Life app, for example. Use their app. Then once it's downloaded, you're gonna go over here and you're gonna hold this down, listen carefully.
Wi-Fi is reset.
Wi-Fi is reset. Now, how I did that was I held down this and this at the same time for about 5 seconds. Then you're gonna go over to the app and we are going to go ahead and bind the device. I would say it's kind of nice that the volume is lower when it comes to the voice prompts. The other vacuums that I've tested, the voice prompts are really loud. Plus the proximity sensor right up here is much more accurate. And overall the volume is much less. You'll notice that right here, if I were to stop talking for a moment, go ahead and take a listen. That is significantly less than other, like the last 3 or 4 robot vacuums that I have tested and tried. The last thing that I want to make note of, what really differentiates this from other robot vacuums, as it kind of spins around right here, you will see that, oh, there it goes. Oh, that's pretty fast. Oh, and oh, did it get hung up? Oh, uh-oh. Oh, already it's up on something. Anyway, as I was saying, see this right back there? Those are the actual chargers. And so when we go and it actually backs up to the charging port, it doesn't actually try to get over the top of something in order to charge. So it makes a lot of sense. This is so cool. It's very different from the other robot vacuums because you see that green spinning around? It's shooting off infrared lasers and actually reading the whole room. So it doesn't go about the room just bumping and crashing into things. It can actually tell the major obstacles like a chair or a wall or something like that. This is so amazing.